The rectangle above has an area of, that quartic, and a width of x plus 3. Determine the missing length of this rectangle. All right. So if the area is that quartic right there and the width is x plus 3, in order to find the area, I do length times width. So what I need to do is I need to divide x plus 3 and make sure that is in order and there's no missing spaces in between, so I am good. Oh, this is going to be fun. Now, a lot of people might look at synthetic division and do synthetic division, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. In fact, it's arguably faster. So if you know synthetic division, go ahead. It's going to end up being the same exact thing anyway at the end of the day. X times what gets me 3x to the fourth? 3x cubed does that. So multiply 3x cubed to x, 3x to the fourth. Multiply 3x cubed to 3, 9x cubed. Oh, how about that? Now we subtract this entire row, which involves us flipping the signs. You will always go away, and you actually become 0. So drop down the positive 2x squared, and since this became 0, drop down the regular 7x, and then we kind of, skip a step a little bit, because that's 0. X times what is 2x squared? X times 2x is 2x squared. So multiply 2x to x and you get 2x squared. Multiply 2x to 3 and you get 6x positive. Subtract that entire row, which means flip the signs, flip the signs. 7x minus 6x is going to be regular x. Drop down the plus 3. X plus 3 times what is x plus 3 plus 1? So the guy that I get is going to be positive 3x cubed plus 2x plus 1, which is C. So regular polynomial long division disguised as a rectangle area problem. Kind of tricky, but tons of fun.